So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, pediatric dentist and assistant professor in College of Dental Sciences. So now aspirant, good news for all of you. Many state government are announcing post for the dental surgeon. Recently 10 to 12 days back, Haryana has announced examination with a whooping 81 seats in which all the dentists from the India can participate. Already we are conducting the lecture and test series for the HPSC, and last year we had a success with the NEET examination. With the KPS it's a Kerala exam, and GPS it's a Gujarat examination. Now Orissa has announced the exam for the government dental surgeon post. Around 82 posts are there. So aspirant, those who are planning, go for it. Good opportunity for the budding dentist out there. Remember, the age limit is good and all of you can participate. So aspirant, we are going to see in video all the important points related to the OPS examination. Let's see first key point. Here to remember the website, it's an authenticated government website. Here only you have to do the registration, payment and every information you are going to get from this. The video I am making is also from the current website only, and this is the helpline number. In case if you are doing any mistake in filling a form or like that, you can call them and they are going to help you. Then aspirant, important dates. Remember, the registration has started from 10th of March and is going to extend till 9th April. And remember aspirant, the submission of the online registered application can be done in the website same from 10th of March till your 16 April. Okay aspirant, then seats available. So around 82 seats are there aspirant. So if 82 seats are there, it's a good number of seats for all of you to participate in the examination and get through the job. Okay aspirant, let's say about the essential qualification. You should have completed the BDS from the recognized university, as well as you should have registered to the concerned state dental council. You, like for example, if you are belonging to Orissa, you should be registered to the Orissa Dental Council. Now there is one important announcement aspirant, the other qualification. Now it is very important that the candidate must have a knowledge of Odia language. So this criteria of qualification make this job just bordered to the students belonging to Orissa and those who are knowing Odia language. Okay aspirant, so please remember this essential qualification and the important other qualification. Pay scale is very good. It's around level 12 pay scale, so a good amount of money. Along with that, you are going to get the other allowances. Then aspirant, we have the tentative schedule, yet the date is going to announce. Remember aspirant, easily you are going to get 70 to 80 days for preparation, and don't think like that days are very less, I'm not able to prepare. If you plan it properly, definitely you are going to get through the examination. Now we are going to talk about the pattern of recruitment. So it's very good. 30% are career marking, means the marking from your 10th class, 12th class and your BDS, and 70% is the written test. It's a 200 mark question. Very good news, no negative marking. Examination will be for 3 hours. Syllabus is whatever you are studying from first to final year is included in your syllabus. This is the distribution of mark. You can see aspirant, all the subject have equal weightage of around 10 to 15 marks. So in that manner, you have the 200 marks paper and you have to thorough with all the subject. You cannot leave like I don't want to study micro, you cannot leave. Otherwise you are going to lose around 8 to 10 marks. So please study properly, thoroughly and planned properly. Then aspirants fees details regarding the examination, it's a 500 rupees for the candidate, and those who belong to SC/ST category or those who have permanent disability, for them the examination fee is exempted. It is free for them. Okay aspirant, and also if you are paying once, remember the fee is non-refundable and non-adjustable. Then aspirant, this was all regarding the OPSC examination, and as you all know that we are conducting the series for the GPSC, KPSC, NEET, MDS, and recently HPSC test series and lecture series are going on, and we are announcing the test series and lecture series for the Orissa examination. We have lectures covering all the subject. We have lectures such that you can save and access them anytime, anywhere. Those who are practitioner or in internship, no need to worry. You can download them and you can see whenever you want. We have high papers in mobile friendly website. So our website has been designed in such a manner that wherever you are there with mobile only, you can give the examination. I am there to guide you how to plan for your preparation in this 70 to 80 days. We have MCQ discussion and many more things. To join our test series, lecture series or only test series, you can DM me on this number. Okay aspirant, and remember that we are going to start our new batch from the 20th March, and definitely we are going to complete the course before examination. So those who want to join our academy, you can DM me or you can visit our website also, mdsdentalacademy.in. Any doubt regarding OPSC exam or any doubt regarding preparation, you all are welcome to ask. Okay aspirant, so please remember, good opportunity of you can say 82 seats, so work hard and grab the opportunity. Thank you all.